In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in Word using the latest update. If you've ever finished a document and then realized a whole section needs to move up or down, you've probably noticed there's no simple Move Page button in Word. Instead, Word relies on moving the content that's on each page. Once you understand how that works, rearranging pages becomes pretty quick and painless. First, go ahead and open your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure you're in the main editing view where you can see your text as usual. It helps if your document is already roughly divided into sections or headings, because that makes moving things around a lot easier. Now, one of the best tools for rearranging pages is the Navigation Pane. This lets you see your document by headings, which often line up with pages or sections you want to reorder. To turn this on, go to the View tab at the top of Word, and then check the box that says Navigation Pane. You'll see a panel open on the left side of your screen. In that panel, click on the Headings tab if it isn't already selected. Here, Word shows all the headings in your document, based on the built-in heading styles like Heading 1 and Heading 2. If your document uses those styles properly, each major section will appear as a clickable item in this list. To rearrange a section, simply click and hold on its heading in the Navigation pane. Then drag it up or down to the spot where you want it, and release the mouse. Word will move that entire section, including all the text and subheadings under it. In many cases, this effectively moves an entire page or several pages at once. If your document doesn't use headings, you can still rearrange pages manually. Click at the very beginning of the content you want to move. Hold down the mouse and drag to highlight everything that belongs on that page or in that section. When it's selected, cut it using Ctrl+X on Windows or Command+X on a Mac. Then scroll to the place where you want that content to appear. Click once to set the cursor, and paste using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Word will automatically adjust the page breaks as the content moves. After each move, scroll through your document to double-check that nothing was left behind or duplicated, and that the page breaks still look clean. When you're happy with the new order, remember to save your document so you don't lose your changes.